In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create appointment schedules in Google Calendar using a brand new feature. This tool allows you to streamline your booking process effortlessly and makes it incredibly simple for others to book time with you according to your availability. So, let's dive into this useful new feature. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Google Calendar page. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that next. Click on the sign in button and enter your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll gain access to all the features available in Google Calendar. Now, to create an appointment schedule, look for the Create button prominently displayed at the left side of your screen and give it a click. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From there, select Appointment Schedule. This will direct you to the main interface where all the appointment scheduling magic happens. Here, you'll first enter details like a name for your appointment and specify the duration you want for each meeting slot. This is important as it ensures that your appointments are structured and organized to your liking. Next up, we'll set your general availability. This is where you define when you're open for appointments. It's advisable to be thoughtful about the time slots you offer, considering both your schedule and potential time zones of others. Speaking of time zones, don't forget to set the time zone for your appointments to avoid any confusion for your attendees. Use the repeat option to make these time slots occur weekly if you're consistently available at certain times each week. After setting your availability, you need to further refine your scheduling window in the settings. This is the broader time frame within which people can actually make bookings. Adjust it to fit your needs so you maintain control over your calendar. Once the framework of your schedule is ready, dive into the calendars section to ensure these appointments sync with your existing schedules. This integration helps minimize overbooking and keeps all your commitments visible in one place. Then, move forward to the booked appointment settings and finally tune how these bookings are managed in your calendar. Afterward, fill in additional profile details under booking page photo and name. These details add a personal touch, giving your booking page an inviting appearance. If there's more information that future bookers should know, you can add extra details at this stage. You can also customize your booking form, capturing any specific information you require from attendees before the meeting date. Finally, under booking confirmations and reminders, customize how attendees receive notifications about their appointments. Make sure to click Save to store all your settings, then copy the booking link to share with people who would like to schedule with you. And there you have it. With these steps, you can manage and optimize your scheduling process right from Google Calendar, saving yourself a ton of back and forth emails and creating a seamless booking experience for everyone involved. Happy scheduling!